Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of making money with Jobspresso.co. Jobspresso is an innovative platform that connects job seekers with employers, making it easier than ever to find the perfect job. As a user, you can create a profile, search for jobs, apply for positions, and even manage your job applications all in one place. But here's the best part, Jobspresso offers a referral program that allows you to earn money by referring friends and family to the platform. For each successful referral, you'll receive a commission, making it a win-win situation for everyone involved. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Jobspresso.co and start earning money today. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.